So I want to do some more like prepping videos and such after my last video. Seemed to be pretty popular. If you've paid attention, especially at your local grocery store right now, things are looking kind of slim. So figured I'd put together a quick kind of cooking slash prepping video all in one of something that's really cheap to prep for, and it's something that over time, like if things go bad, you can feed your family on for quite a while. Kind of help boost morale, all that good stuff. So only takes technically 4 ingredients, so let me get into it. First thing is this right here. Now, I've already mixed everything up. I just got to get it in the oven. But cornbread mix, super cheap, and you can even go and make it cheaper. Like this right here, I think cost me like 64 cents or something at Walmart. It'll make an entire pan full of cornbread. Everything you need is in here. All you have to do is technically add water, but I like, as I said, spicing mine up a little bit more to get a little more out of it. And how I do that is right here, again, only about 60 cents or so, green chilies. Throw a thing of green chilies in there with your cornbread, mix it up, and then I like to also add in some honey. Usually about a 1/4 cup or so. It gives that sweet heat aspect of it, so something sweet, something savory. You can add it to a lot of things. You know, as I said, it'll make an entire pan. Feed yourself, feed your family for a long time. It doesn't cost a lot. And you can go even cheaper if you want, right? So you can buy cornmeal, a big bag of cornmeal, for like $2 or $3, and that's going to get you a lot more than one of these little bags will. Now, granted, with those you're supposed to add eggs and milk and stuff like that. You don't need to. It's just an extra bonus. Same thing with these. Like, yeah, this little can here is 64 cents, but you can buy a big thing of jalapenos for $4 or $5. Honey is probably going to be your most expensive aspect of it, but you don't need a ton of it per recipe. And then you can also do stuff like buy the, if you can still find it, the powdered honey, get a lot more out of it, or just buy a big jar, and a big jar is going to last you forever. So, yeah, I'm going to get this in the oven right now. I'm sure you just heard the oven beep, and I'll be back with you in just a couple minutes. Alright guys, so it's been about 18 minutes or so. You're supposed to cook it at 450, between 15 to 20 minutes, but just stuck a fork in it, came out clean, so has to cool down, but there you go. Get a good thing of cornbread, some heat, some sweet, and yeah, doesn't really cost you that much. So anyways, I might be doing some more of these like prepping-ish recipes, cooking things on here. Let me know if it's something you'd like. Yeah, that's all I got. Hit that subscribe if you want to or not, don't really care. And I'll see you next time. Deuces.